Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna make bread pizza. Bread pizza is very easy to make. It's just like a go-to snack and it's much easier than making a regular pizza. So you can have it as lunch or you can even have it as a snack, and it's very easy to make. So for first thing we'll be requiring for making bread pizza is pizza sauce. You can use store-bought or you can use homemade, anything you want. So for that, on the bread we're gonna add around 2 teaspoons of pizza sauce. I'm saying 1 teaspoon each for the bread slice. You can even add 2. I'm adding 2 I feel because I like it a bit more saucier. But if you guys don't like that much, you can reduce the quantity of the sauce. Spread it evenly. Now for the other bread we are also going to add bread at home. It's much healthier. So the bread I'm using, I forgot to tell you, the bread I'm using is I'm using sandwich bread. You can use any regular bread like wheat, maida or even multigrain. So for one slice for the first slice I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons mozzarella. You can even use a spoon, but if you can do it with your hand and measure it, then it's much better. So I'm gonna add first cheese for the first slice. For the first slice, I'm planning to make a mini farmhouse type version with lots and lots of veggies. Because some people of course like veggies, not me definitely, but yeah. So I'm going to add for the first one, we're adding our capsicums. I'm adding sliced capsicums. You guys can even slightly roast it also. Few onion slices, you can do like a moon shape type or even you call it the ring shape. Next we're gonna add sweet corn. This is boiled sweet corn. I'm adding half teaspoon boiled sweet corn. You can use frozen, fresh, anything you want. Adding a lot of veggies gives a pop of color and it looks very pretty. You can garnish it however you want, and you can of course subtract or minus any type of veggie you want. If you don't like anything, you can completely subtract it. I feel we need more capsicums. For this recipe you can add like any type of veggies you want, like tomato slices or olive sliced or jalapeno, mushroom, paneer, that is cottage cheese, any veggies you like, or you can even add meat also. Depending on your taste, you guys can of course customize it. And remember, you can be very creative with these type of recipes. Next on this we're gonna add a bit extra cheese because cheese is nice. We're gonna add more cheese. Remember, people add mayonnaise also, so you can add mayo also, or you can also add people add tandoori sauce, pesto sauce, or any type of sauce you like. So I'm going to garnish this with a bit of oregano. Oregano is nothing but mixed herbs. Sorry for that. Oregano, and then we're going to add chili flakes. Of course, if you guys can completely skip chili flakes as it's quite spicy and most people don't like the taste. I'm using a bit chili flakes. If you want, you can completely skip chili flakes and oregano also. So this is our first bread. This is a mini farmhouse type version. And the second one we are going to make a basic like mozzarella cheese, of course, mozzarella version pizza. So we're going to add first our cheese slice cubes. You can use diced, you can use shredded, you can use grated. I'm using diced mozzarella cheese, but anything will work. You can even use cheddar cheese. There are many types of cheese. I'm using mozzarella, that's cheddar. You can either add like 50% mozzarella and 50% cheddar. That also tastes really good. I'll just show you how to put it. You guys can keep adding how much ever you want. We preferably like more cheese. It's a great pizza actually. So it's very easy to make when you're very hungry or when you just have to go to work or anything else. You can just make this. It's very easy. This is just a mozzarella. And adding more cheese, of course, who doesn't like? So I'm adding cheese. Then we're going to add our chili flakes. Again, chili flakes, how much you guys like, you can add that much. Then we're going to add a bit oregano. For the extra cheese again, for my farmhouse I'm planning to add extra cheese as I feel I've added a lot of veggies, so we need a bit more cheese also. Then we're gonna add a bit chili flakes. Remember, you can minus or subtract any ingredient you don't like, or you can even add like veggies like broccoli also. Make it even healthier. And the base, of course, you can use multigrain or any type of base you like. So yeah, this is your pizzas ready to ready to serve. Not now yet, but we need to first microwave. We need to first microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, or we can pan cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So we're just going to either microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or pan cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Even if you don't if you still feel after pan cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes, you still feel it a bit not cooked, the cheese is not invented, then you can microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds extra. But I preferably like to toast my bread first with like 1 teaspoon butter and slightly toast it. Just gives a crispier version rather than a soggy type bread. So that's why, sorry for that. So that's why I will first toast it for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm going to microwave for just 20 to 30 seconds. But if you want, you can directly microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. So after cooking, I will definitely show you guys. So yeah, this is your bread pizza after the microwave, after 2 minutes in the microwave. You can see how cheesy it is. So yeah, and this is a very easy recipe, and do try it and do comment. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Take care.